Today I'm reviewing a beautiful handmade bow for my hair. It was a free sample given by brand, so mine are color this one, red, as you can see here. This is how beautiful it looks. I like to wear it like at in the middle of like down, but you can put it like more up and do different designs if you want to. And they also have in green. So this is how it looks. I would like to show you mine. I have a fine hair, but still it holds my hair perfectly. This is how it looks here. So they're also great for a gift. This is how it looks. I like it also because it's more of like a Christmas color, but regardless of the dress that you're wearing or your makeup, you can always put these bows on you, on girls, and look pretty amazing. I hope you check them out. They have my middle initial. They have my middle initial name. So I just like them. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.